Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so we are back. Feels good to be back. Hold up, that's the wrong chart. See how we're looking on the day where we opened about over here. So we have a range. Audio reads, good morning. He is risen. Good morning. Good morning. Top of the morning. Hey, shout out to the one person that smashed the like button. Here, let's kind of push this up. Bring some stuff to some lower time frames. I'll probably focus on the SPY. Probably go for a day trade or something today. Pulling on back on the SPY. Natasha, good morning. Good morning. IWM pulling back to. Let me see where the 200 is for the day. Okay, below that 200. Let's go to the 5. Stringing them along. Stanley, top of the morning. Yo, it's kind of been a minute. I hope all y'all have been good. Hope y'all had a great weekend. All that good stuff. Brandon, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we're pulling on back right now. I don't see any liquidity. This is an area of interest on that time frame. Still, we actually got a small gap from Tuesday too. And whoa, what was that? Hold up. Hold on, y'all. Let me check on my wife real fast. All right. Everything's all good. Okay. All right. Still watching the SPY. See how we look on the 15. Kong, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Oh, I hope all has been well. Hey, also want to note interesting honorable mentions for the day are going to be Google, Tesla, and Apple. They have all kind of done a solid amount of pumping today. Actually slide Apple and Tesla up a little bit. Yeah, Google's up like 8. Google's up pretty massive. I'm gonna watch SPY on the 5. Watch the volume as well. Kind of gotta slow down a bit because it took the market was closed on Monday. I didn't trade yesterday. So I think it's good for me to sit here, slow down for a moment. All right, Devin, I'm in a 644 put for tomorrow on SPY and looking forward to hit 641 and then cash out. Is that depending on where you got in? Yeah, I would say honestly, that is good as long as it doesn't lose momentum. I would cut out of this when the momentum is gone because things could change on a dime here. Like, for instance, in this area, I would like to look for a call, but I'm kind of like taking a look at the volume, seeing the pacing of things, because as we can see, things can change very fast. And if we like zoom out, I actually think we have some liquidity up here on this around 645. So if we did come up there, I would probably look to take a short. But right now, it's like in this kind of area we moved in today, I can see us kind of going either way for now. Yoko, top of the morning. Luke, good morning. Said you're up 101 right now. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Like the, hey, hope the trades have been good while I haven't been present. Yeah, I hope y'all have been killing it in the best of ways. All right, so I'm watching the volume on the SPY. Cause it really may actually let's go to a 15 real quick. Yeah, it could possibly be trying to hold up at this 13 or this 48 EMA on the 15-minute right here. Kind of hard to know until after it's done. Took profit up 77. Robinhood scammed and wouldn't let me take profits. Hey, it'd be like that. It's kind of annoying. Sometimes they come through with the slow fills. The fastest way to get filled is a market order, but it's also the riskiest way too, because the price can jump so fast that you end up selling for a lot less than you thought. Levi, top of the morning. Hope all's been well with you, man. See what we're looking like on the 2. Still below the 13. 13 crossed below the 48. Hey, 2 tells a story that we might continue on. See, I'd like to see us get to like 641.38. I think that'd be chill. Little consolidation on the 2-minute. All right, pulling up to the 13 EMA. Steve, hey, top of the morning. Also, hey, Steve, if you're not being fair to me, good afternoon and welcome. Hey, welcome back, family. If you said anything before that, I did not see your message. Just a heads up, because I don't know. Have you said something before that YouTube is blocking your message? But 36 online, 12 likes. Oh yeah, be sure to smash the like button, family. Oh, hold up, we're trying to pull up. What we looking like on a 5? Trying to pull up. Big time. Good morning. Top of the morning. Hey, don't worry. Hey, we're all here. Missed you too, Steve. I'm like, yo, what's yesterday, bro? I spent forever on the plane. Like, I'm over here thinking, oh yeah, I'm gonna get back at a decent time. And I'm over here like low key. I could have streamed yesterday if I had Wi-Fi that like if I had internet that was good. Like if my what is it? If my hotspot were strong enough, I would have streamed. If where I was had strong enough Wi-Fi, I would have streamed. But nah, it was garbage. So I kind of just was just being present, doing my thing. But also, it probably wouldn't have been that good. Probably would have been that very uncomfortable. George, good morning. D Scurv, good morning. How was the trip? Oh yeah, we'll get into the trip. We'll get into the trip for sure. Did a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of exhausting. I'm like, because I went back 2 hours in order for me to kind of do things at proper times there. Yo, it's like my body was still on this time what still on Central Time when I was on, what's it like, two, I guess that's like whatever the West Coast time. I don't even know what time zone that's called, but I was still on Vegas time, or no, I was in Vegas time. It was rough a little bit because it's like I was still getting up early, and where I was at honestly didn't have the best lighting either. I'm like, oh, Unlimited CM. Good morning, trader. Does anyone know what EMA's coach is using and what platform? So to answer your questions, this is TradingView. Yes, that is a platform, and the blue line, the like kind of light blue one, this is going to be the 13 EMA. The orange, yellow kind of line, this is going to be the 48 EMA. Ricky Run, top of the morning. Good morning. Can we draw a trend line? Is that in order or is that just here? Let's see if we can get something figured out here. We'll try that. See how that does. Let me check in on the 2. Yeah, I see we've had a good amount of volatility while I've or just since I've last seen y'all. And yesterday, like I saw stocks yesterday. I was like, oh, they're trying to start out strong. But also I was like, yo, that seems a little too obvious. Something's gonna happen. Like they're not just gonna let it fall that easy. Where is the Dixie? All right, still checking in on this. Here, let's move this up to the 15. All right, so this candle starting out up here. This might be a little reversal. Might be able to. Here, let's see what the. Let's watch the volume. Because it looks like we're about to cross the downside, but also might be able to get some quick bread off this. I think this right here is just be taking a chance here. Let me see what the options contracts are looking like. Also might be a little premature right now. I know they can consolidate things for some time. Okay, that's not a bad price. Let me wait, let's see. I was thinking SPY would go back to retest 641, but not sure now. All right, so let me talk about my SPY kind of like thesis for now. All right, so looking at SPY and just like here, let me shrink this down a little bit. Make a little more room on the SPY. All right, so looking at the SPY, here, let me also get rid of these EMAs to make the picture a little bit clearer. All right, so there was a point in time, this was the range on the SPY, but we kind of created a new range up here. So that range is invalidated. Then we came, or something occurred and made this the range, or maybe it was this, but actually, yeah, made this the range. Then we kind of came and broke it over, I guess we didn't break it over here, but whenever we got this move down right here, we came and broke it. And this part was also a pullback, so I don't know, depending on how you want to look at it, this whole thing could, in a sense, be one big move, depending on which time frame you're looking on. So because of that, to me, it looks like we're in a downtrend. We're also on the lower side of this trend line, so just kind of looking at things the same way we look for liquidity to the upside. It's very small, but I see this kind of 645, 47 areas liquidity. So if we run back up to that, maybe pass it a little bit, I'd be looking to short and kind of continue the downtrend just from where we are. But yeah, where we like kind of the range for the day at the moment, it's like I feel like we can go either way. And also on the day, I would say if we come to like 641, I'm a little bit more inclined to go for upside, but yeah, kind of just with the day trades and whatnot for the moment, that's just kind of how I look at it. Slide that back up a little bit. I know what you mean on the time change. I'm back to the West Coast in a month, or oh no, yeah, it's not okay, that's what it's called, the West Coast. Well, that might not be the time zone. I don't know what the time zone is, but yeah, it's rough. It's something. It's hard going back. I feel like it's easier going forward. Or if you're a morning person. Google McDougal paid some bills today. Did you have some calls? That judgment was timely. Hey, glad to hear it. Yeah, Google, hey, went crazy. Pacific Standard Time, that's it. It's like I knew it. It was not in my head at all. Two calls that jumped 17 per share. Hey, that's some money right there. Hey, good stuff. Hey, we love to hear that. That's what we like. That's like exactly what we want with swings. We want to like it's like we see the potential. We want to like grab the time, but also most of the time if I get a pop overnight, I'll just yeah, let me just grab that. I might see a bigger move, but I'm just trying to it's ideal when you get a pop. Just come through and snatch. Where's all right, we still got like let me go back to the 5. Still got like 8 minutes on this candle. I don't know what's going on with the SPY right now. Oh, hold on. Oh, I feel bad now. I had my phone on Do Not Disturb and I missed some messages. Okay, alright, so trying to come back down. So have not fully confirmed yet. And like this 5 minute candle doesn't look like it wants to confirm yet either. So does not look like we've broken the trend yet. Yeah, definitely have not broken the trend. Okay. That's why we wait for confirmation. I kind of wanted upside, but also, yo, I was not trusting it. Kind of feel like a slave to my phone a little bit. Every time I try to throw it on Do Not Disturb, I always miss. There's always something that normally wouldn't happen that it's like, dang, I kind of needed to be there for. Crazy how that happens. All right. All right. Still kind of going. We're kind of chilling between this like 643, 642 kind of 30 area. Looking at the chat feedback, I see 45% green on the day. 11 straight days Palantir has closed above the 50 EMA at close. Cool tidbit I heard today. I mean, we can look. Let's see. Here we'll swap out Tesla. All right, selling on down a little bit more. I mean, Palantir's definitely been holding this. Wait, on what time frame? Would that be like the daily? Oh yeah, because this 48 EMA is going to be like pretty much the 50 EMA. So yeah, on the daily. Yeah, potentially. I mean, it's still in this like it's still right in this channel. Still holding like this like support level. It's a potential opportunity. Here, let's see. Linus, good morning. So I'm not in anything yet. I'm kind of waiting to see what goes on with the SPY. Honestly, it looks like we might get like a potential liquidity sweep opportunity. Wait, actually, hold up. Hold up. Yeah, hold up. This might. So no, hold up. No, we need to consolidate, or we need one more candle. So I would say right here, we had the first run. We had this. I think we're getting an opportunity set up right now. Like looking on the 15 right here, there's liquidity, but we need this candle to close. Oh, we actually, yeah, I think we, yeah, that looks solid. So actually, this might be an opportunity right here. Did we just go take that? I can't tell. Here, let's see. Yo, why is my order not being filled? All right, I'm gonna try again. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I guess my order filled. All right, so I grabbed a 0 DT. I grabbed a SPY 643 0 DTE. Yeah, and I paid like 48 cents for it. Ideally, we can get back up to like 644. Ideally. But here, let me alert the family. Let's see. Oh, wait, hold up. Why does it say? Okay, there we go. 1 second. Discord. My trades. Just grabbed a, what was it? SPY 643 call expiring. Today paid, what is it? What did I pay? 48 cents per share. All right. So yeah, we'll kind of see what happens with that. Yeah, I'm at break even right now. Yeah, we'll see what happens with that. You kind of zoom in, see if we actually swept it or not, or came and like retested it. Oh no, yeah, we swept it, barely. Looks like it went like one. No, was it? It might be an equal low. It looks a little. No, yeah, we swept it. No, it's like the same. But either way, that looks promising potentially. All right, let's see. I thought of you when I saw Tesla on the 4 hour from July till now. Trend is. Yo, Tesla. Yeah, Tesla. Here, let's see. Oh, hold on. Spy trying to like string on the 5 minute. But I think it might look okay on the 15. No, maybe not. We'll see. We'll let this candle ride, see how it does. Make sure it doesn't like just fall out and take a poop. Wait, where'd that comment just go? Hey, Molly Whopper, what's up, family? So I'm not doing anything with Tesla, but yeah, Tesla's popping today, having a nice little day. Gerald, what's up? Vacation was good. Hey, it was exhausting. Whole lot of moving around, but hey, a lot of fun. So here's what I missed today. It looks like the market went up. Then it's coming down. Hopefully about to come back up again. Yes, Steve, I picked up a call. And right now I guess we're still in the kind of evaluation phase. Cause it's back down here. We'll have to see how we do here. It's fine if it comes a little bit lower, but I guess if it moves too much, might have to cut out. You also do some searching. All right, so this is a little bit of a better sweep right here. Is it still like the next candle? All right, it's still valid right now. Let's see. Let me extend this trend line out to what are we going to do here? Oh, I want to see something. All right, got some data in the pre-market. Okay. Okay, so we're back here at this liquidity area. Do you think SPY will test 641? It's possible. Right now I'm hoping not. I think it will come back to retest it. I just hope that's not the course it takes right now. But like everything what's being traded currently is internal range, so it's kind of like anything could happen at the moment. But I would say that would be a good area for entry if it does come to 161 or 141. But I'm hoping it doesn't. Oh, also just a reminder, there is a Zoom call tonight. Anyone wanting in on that, let me drop the link real quick. Yeah, anyone wanting in on that, this is going to be the Zoom link right here. Just drop that in the chat. Looking forward to seeing you this evening, family. All right. Okay. Come on, SPY. Find a little life. We would very much appreciate it. Or, I can't speak for everyone, but you said I wanted to enter now, but I don't see confirmation. So yeah, my turn for entry was this red line right here. We're still holding it. Ideally, we come back and I may not ride it all the way up here. Like if it's not just like a straight line kind of move, I'm probably not going to ride it all the way to the top. But ideally, it comes to at least 644. But we are starting to see some movement, which is good. This is what we want to see. Yeah, start to see like us come take out these highs. Like, yeah, let's come first knock out that 643 level, then kind of try to make our way over to 644. Let's see. All right, let's see. What time the Zoom link? So the Zoom link is going to be 7:30 Central Time. April, top of the morning. Hello. Pretty Ma, hello. What time did my live start? So they start at 10:30 a.m. Central Time. If you were looking for me yesterday, I was not here. I was traveling yesterday. Hey, glad to be back, April. Glad to be back. Booted up, top of the morning. All right, so still moving up. Let's see how it's checking on the contract. Let's see. All right, so it's up 14%, $7. Hold up. What do you mean? Oh, what? Yo, Robinhood's acting funny. No, all good, all good. Okay. It had showed I had like an order for another one. I was like, yo, I did not put in the order for another one. All right, so we're consolidating here right now, kind of. I still think we're going to continue to push up, but it's trying to do this thing where it doesn't move. Just ideally, it doesn't do that for too long. Maybe should have got an extra day. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. Did anybody else capitalize off Google over the past, I guess, 48 hours? Yes, patience pays profits. That it does. Trying to. No, I did not either. But hey, glad D Scurv did. It's like the market wants to. It's like whenever I don't want to pay attention to the market, it wants to pop off. It's like I'm not sure if any of you ever watched SpongeBob at a point in time. I'm not sure. I know we got a lot of age groups, but if y'all ever did, there's like this episode where SpongeBob is trying to catch the bus home, and it's like every time he goes away, and he's waiting at the or he's I don't know. Every time he steps away from the bus stop, the bus comes, and then like whenever he's standing there, he go sit there and wait for the longest time. The bus just doesn't come. Walk across the street, get a candy bar, stick his hand in a little machine to get the candy bar. He'll see the bus there. Turn around, stick his hand in. If he goes for it, the bus drives off. If he just kind of sits there, the bus will come. It's crazy. He said, "Story of my life." Hey, it can seem like that. Hey, it's a classic episode. D Scurv. Classic episode. Another Microsoft swing. Microsoft doesn't look like it's really doing anything right now. Like, so, once again, like when I said the thing about Microsoft, uh, what I said, like ideally that would be like you would get like 3 to 6 months of time on that, just being a little bit riskier with that. that trade. But like if we look at the weekly, like it still seems perfectly solid. Like we got one wick here, came up here, shows kind of like slowing down. We have another candle. This one, like we still have liquidity and we're still holding this level, this $500 level, being opening. So all the bodies are above that. So I would say Microsoft still looks good, but it's like I would just be more inclined to have time on it. Like it'd be nice to shoot for this 555, but ideally I still probably shoot for like the 525, 520 kind of area. That would be like my target for like the full trade, but understand that it can go to this high up here too. If you still see the momentum, it's like, yo, ride it, but otherwise we just try to go to like this 525 area. Yeah, I'm gonna slow down to the 15-minute candle just to help me display said patience. Okay. I'm liking the start to this candle. Lord lift us up. Hey, do that thing. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Yeah, we like full candles like that. Hey, shoot it up, shoot it up. Yes, amen. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Oh, looking good. You look good. Yes. Bring it on up. Let's see how theta has affected the contract so far. Okay. All right, so the contract's up $8, 16%. That's chill. SPY 64. Oh, would love to see 648. Would love that. 644 would be chill too. That would also be chill. No complaints about 644 either. Yeah, let's say push it up. Hey, we'll take it. All right, so we're up 29% now. $14. Just shared your channel to my finance group chat. Hey, appreciate that, Molly Whopper. Hey, yeah, hopefully it's helpful to them. All right, so hey, we are 10 cents from the money on this contract. Up 40%, $19 on it. It's cool. Hey, we'll take that. All right, contract in the money up 47%. What's the delta on it real quick? Got a delta of 50. All right, let's see if we can all right, still moving up. All right, up what is it? 56%, $28. I have a theory on Apple normally trails behind on the movement per the market. I'm thinking Apple will jump more from again just so I have I think it'll move more too. For sure. Like usually like the first day that they get attention, it won't you'll get a pop and then it'll kind of die. One thing that I'm still watching out for on Apple is we do have some liquidity over here at about 241. That has been a while since we've kind of been in that area. But yeah, that's so I would personally look for a sell off if we come to that area, but first we got to get there. So I would say it's a pretty decent move getting there for Apple first. So yeah, with that, I think I would kind of agree with what you said. I think it'll kind of die, lag, well, kind of lag, go up, but then I think that's a good area to short. And then I have no like the thing about this is we don't know the pace that it's going to move at because they also have their event next week, like they're where they're announcing things. This upcoming Tuesday, they're making all their announcements about their products, and it's like I kind of like follow that stuff. There's a lot that's expected to be announced. Oh, pulling back on the spy, but yeah, there's a lot that's expected to be announced, and like just kind of keeping that in mind. I don't. That could have some pull on it too. So oh, it's tough. I just try to like capture one move at a time. But yeah, I will say like it is tough. So I don't know if it does like go up there or if it does sell off. We can see we have a demand zone right here at like 230, as low as like 277 or 227. Yeah. All right. So the spy pushed up, kind of sold back off a little bit. I still think we can continue this trend. I just think this is a little fear move, unless I'm looking at it wrong. But I think it can still kind of go on. Pretty mild, fairly new to this and joined late. Is there a certain strategy or setup that you use or possibly referred? Yeah, I got some videos on it. So a lot of my like when it comes to setting my charts up, a lot of the times I my charts are still like kind of the same from day to day. I'll just like say these blue lines right here, I might just move them, like slide them up or slide them down. It's like if I do like kind of change or notice something, I will make the changes on stream, but nah, usually I'll just kind of play off the same kind of deal that I was. Very welcome, Jack. What was I? What was I doing? I was about to. Oh, I think I was gonna try to find a couple videos to post. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see. Simple. How to make okay. Where's this video at? All right, so here is one video kind of going over the strategy right here. Here is, wait, where did it go? Here's another example. It's gonna be like the main strategy that I kind of trade. Why your SPY reads 643 and yours reads 642. George, so oh, mine's at 642.55. I would make sure you're caught up on the live. The live might be like a couple seconds off, but yeah, if it's any more than a couple seconds, I would definitely like just make sure you're caught up. One other thing that you can do to make sure you're caught up if you're ever in question of whether you're caught up with where I am is if you look at the bottom of the screen right here, you can see the time. So yeah, this is what time it is where I am, but what you could focus on is kind of the minutes and the seconds, and that should usually be pretty close to where you are. Very welcome, Pretty Ma. M Sense, what's up? Unsure which like number. Hey, we'll call you number 43. Pressed it in, pressed it on TV in car. Now headed to barber. Hey yo, go get that fresh fade or whatever cut you get. Hey, go get it up or go talk that I don't go talk that smack whatever. But hey, go get that head groomed or whatever. Let's see. Make spy bounce so I can impress. Hey, it had one little pop. I'd like to think it still has some more juice in it, but it doesn't want to go straight there because it doesn't want the theta to go too crazy, or it wants the theta to run out so that the contract doesn't go too crazy. So what's I gonna say? So yesterday, wait, hold on. Actually feeling candy. Oh, okay. Feeling the candy machine. Do you own candy machines, or is that like, are you just filling them? I know that used to be a little good little hustle right there, or I guess it still is for people like those vending machines and stuff. Yeah, good profits then fell. That it did. That's something it does. It definitely does that. Honestly, it's very well possible this could have been the move, but hold on, let me see what I was targeting. So I'm on a 5 minute. We had this fall right here. Hmm. Like it came up to here, but I don't necessarily see anything that would make me think, hey, let's stop here. So I would still think that it can come up. I just would want it to come up today. Uh, I don't need to grow. Hey, good stuff, M sense. Spy selling off. I wouldn't think that it's really selling off. I think it's trying to trap people right now. Can make good money doing that. Yeah, honestly, yo, in the right location, a vending machine, amazing money. Especially if you go to like a food desert where you got like no options, bro. You can make the price almost whatever you want. Like on the cool, like a couple days ago, I paid $10 for a bottle of water, but I swear it made the water taste that much better. It's the same water that you could probably get a 40 pack for like $5. Supply and demand. It's crazy. It's like yo, you can get 40 for 5 and then sell one for $10. Hey talk about a markup. Profit margins go crazy in the right locations. Military installations are the best for food and drink vending machines. Interesting. I wouldn't be able to tell you, but hey, that might be some legitimacy to that. Just as SpongeBob on the vending machine. Hey, SpongeBob went through some great lengths to get to that vending machine. It's kind of crazy. Then somebody came and stole the chocolate because he tried to go across or whatever he was getting from that vending machine. Somebody came by, stole it, and yeah, all the field training and death by PowerPoint trainings will have them empty. Oh, that's one way to do it. But no, I know they be going crazy. Like I used to do Uber Eats in Colorado Springs. I know yeah, I know they used to go crazy with that. But also I think it's also because they get the Amex Platinum for free. Trent no longer lurking with the thumbs up. Appreciate you. Yeah, we still got at least 13 lurkers on stream. I might have to. I don't know. There's this new thing called Lurkbot. Hey, we're about to turn Lurkback bot on, and we're about to point y'all out. About to find all 13 of y'all. Here, let's see. Servicemen, let me see your hands. Okay, okay. He is risen. What are we playing now? I'm in a call on the spy. It's like a 643, 643 0 DT, but um, used to live in Aurora. Okay, okay. I actually never went out to Aurora. I think the closest that way I went was like Denver or like the resorts, but I've never actually been to Aurora. Okay, got some servicemen in here. Shoot. I would like to take this time to say to all my servicemen that like yo, if y'all have the benefits, like if y'all like got out and like still have y'all's benefits that they like give to y'all, yo, make sure you're using that. If you don't know how to use them or like anything like that, I'm specifically talking about like more of like kind of the different like retirement accounts they offer y'all and like the different kind of housing investment vehicles they offer y'all. If y'all don't know about that, y'all please go out there and learn because I was like learning like I've gone through kind of learned about that stuff. I'm like I've almost like thought about joining. I'm like if I were single, I was like yeah. I'm like maybe. I'm like yeah that'd be nice, but nah, did not do it. Y'all make sure y'all get get all the benefits y'all earn. Let's see. Number 17 on the day. Never get caught. Hey, never get caught lurking. Hey, where's the lurk bot? I'm kidding. There's no lurk, but there might be a lurk bot. I don't know of a lurk bot, but there might be a lurk bot. I see that me saying something about lurk bot though. Hey, some of y'all came through, smash that like. Shoot, maybe I might have to find someone to program me a lurk bot. Just oh shoot, okay. Yeah, the lurker's coming down. We went from 13 to 7. I see y'all. Hey, you too, Robert? Or are you just saying what's up? Alcatraz, Seacot, whatever, I'm not going. Oh yeah, can't have that, can't have that. Did you say you were in a call? Yes, I am in a call, the 6:43. So, what's incited the move was just the fact that we got this bullish range right here. It's just the same setup I usually trade. So we got hold on, that didn't. We got this bullish range right here. That's the range. And then from the range, the first move, we came over, set the liquidity right here where this red line is on this here, let's run it back real quick. All right, so right here on this blue candle, the liquidity was set. And then it came over and we kind of like swept it. Like we swept it, thought we swept it on this one, but we for sure swept it on this candle. And then we kind of like pushed up here. So honestly, it is very well possible that this was all the move we got. But ideally, we would run back to the top of where this was. So once again, it's very well possible that it's very well possible that that's the move. Yeah, I may end up needing to cut out. I don't know. But yeah, that's why I got in the call. All right, so we're selling down I'll wait for confirmation before I do anything. But yeah, we're selling down right now. We're below the level. It's not looking the best for my car right now. I want to say I know I was at least up like 57%. I think it might have been higher than 57%, but got me wishing I snagged it now, but we'll see. Still gonna sit here and wait for confirmation because liquidity is liquidity. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a snack. Oh, still holding up. Chill. Chill, chill, chill. Spy setting up the double bottom. Hey, we'll take it. We will take it. Honestly, that very well is a possibility or a likelihood. I was originally going to go for what is it? Originally going to go for this like 641 area for an entry. I'm not gonna lie, there was a level of impatience, a little bit. Price target 641.26. Oh, you're looking for that gap fill. We'll see. Oh, you 200 EMA? What time frame? I more just look for a bounce at that area. So did y'all see like yesterday they were saying like that the tariffs may not hold up, and we kind of like sold off of that. Is that a bad thing or a good thing if the tariffs don't hold up? It's like the prices of things are cheaper or get cheaper, but it's like also the government funding. It's like, yo, what's going on with that? 3 minute, I'm thinking out loud. Okay. Oh no, it's like, hey, turn. I didn't feel any sort of disrespect, so appreciate you going out of the way to say that you don't feel any disrespect. But yeah, I didn't. Nah, I was not rubbed the wrong way or anything. That might unwind the market. Hey, yeah, yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Like, I have no idea. These girls, you say you think it's a good thing overall. Psh, like the no tariffs being good, or I don't know. I really don't know how I'd feel about it. It's like I can see positivity on both sides, but I really like I don't know. I mean, we were kind of fine beforehand, before the tariffs, but also the spending was running absolutely rampant. So you had things that just kind of continued to go up and up and up and up. By the way, I'm not in anything. I mean, I would say that's a good place to be, honestly. Yeah, Trump has to convince Congress about the tariffs. Nothing will change. So yeah, I'm personally like I feel like the tariffs are going to end up being all right, but like if they didn't, um, Jerry, I think it would be bad for the economy, good for Nvidia traders. Yeah, it's like I think stocks would go up, but yeah, I think there would be like honestly I don't know. There's like so many different levers and variables that honestly I couldn't even like really say. Who is this yelling outside? Hold on. Okay, we confirmed down here. All right, so yeah, that's a 15-minute kind of confirmation candle. It's not completely below the level, but like it closed down there. I'm still gonna hold the contract, just looking where support is, since we're like close to support for the day. But that would be where you get out, where that candle just closed. So that would be out at let's see, that would be about a 50% loss, down $24. And I would say like trading zero DTEs, that's not bad. Like if you're just like starting out, it's like okay, took a trade, lost 24, it's chill. But I'm still of the like kind of like these curves said double bottom. I think we might I think there's still a good chance. Dominique, good morning. Steve, this better pick up and go. I mean, we still got time. We still got time. Oh, let me turn the EMAs back on. Yo, when I look at the EMA, it kind of tells a different story. So we crossed to the downside over here. I'm looking for it to come towards. Honestly, it looks like it's coming towards 641 now. But I still think we have a reversal in us. It's like it likes to go up more than it goes down, so that's what I'm looking for now. Think gap fill. Steve, I'm down 113. Marie spy fake out. Yeah, it's not a I can say it's not a good feeling being down, but the only thing I can say about being down is like as long as it's not an amount that like hurts, it should be okay. It's like I'm okay like kind of seeing this through because of the amount that I'm using, but say I had like I don't know, maybe like 8 times my position size and I was down like oh maybe like $400 instead. That might feel a little different. This what was I gonna say? I probably would have closed out on this last 5 minute candle. All right, spy with the on the 5 minute with the kind of doji candle, like almost as if we got a reversal. But honestly, I would like to see it come through and cross some EMAs before I really had any form of excitement or anything about it. But also looking at the EMAs, like the 30 minute EMAs, yo, they're still crossed to the upside. So this could just end up being a big wick. We still got 4 minutes on the 30-minute candle. Interested to see how this ends up closing out as well. All right, looks like we're going to have a choppy rest of the day. I will step away from the markets. Hey, peace out, Linus. Have a blessed day. I'm not sure I would just fully classify today as like choppy rest of the day, but it's very well possible. This is the chop time. Have 9 contracts. All right, so you have 9 times the nine times the size of mine. Let's see, 9 contracts. What I was looking at. Oh yeah, definitely liking the way this candle's looking. They are definitely liking this more. Oh, also on the 30-minute, that might be a different story. Whoa, what is? Bounce on SPY. I'm just hoping. Hey, we can hope. Hey, you and me both. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It feels good to be back in this time zone. That was probably the roughest part of me. Roughest part of being back in Vegas is it's time zone. I don't know how I'm gonna do it whenever I go back to Europe again. I think I'm supposed to go in like March for like at least a month. It's gonna be rough. Nah, I'm gonna be alright. I've just really kind of like set myself up here, and it's like whenever I leave, I don't have this stuff just right there for me. It's really hard to accommodate. Let's see. I miss the Pacific Standard Time, especially in the summer light until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Which let me see. Let me see. I gotta get a reference for where that is. Okay. You said you had summer light until 10? Oh. I feel like here you kind of get it to like 9:30, or I think it's going away, but had it till like 9:30 at some points. Grew up in Western Oregon. Summers were so long. You're just hoping at 6:43. Is that a storm siren? Oh, let me. Or like a really loud vacuum. I can't tell. All right, so we just closed out that candle closed out below the level. Oh wait, yeah, that 30-minute candle closed down there. Average down at some positions. All right, well here's hoping that we get that bounce. Let's go through and look at the options activity. Oh, I gotta turn off these notifications for these different like hotels in Vegas because I'm getting these notifications. I don't want to see that right now. That is a fire department horn. Possibly it's noon straight up. Oh, maybe. Yeah, because it definitely stopped. Yeah, I don't hear it anymore. But I feel like I never hear that at noon. So that's weird to me. All right, let's see. Candy profits were cool. Spy, not so much. Yeah, I'm still in on the spy. Curious on where you stayed. I will be there next month. So honestly, where I stayed, next time I go, I definitely won't stay there. I stayed at like an embassy that was it was close to where my wife was playing pickleball, so that's why we stayed there. I didn't know the area, but now that I know the area and like now that I see all the rewards and stuff, I was like, if I were you, I'm not. I feel like you said you've been out there, so it's like I would definitely like just sign up for like the different hotels and see what like get your Caesars, get your MGM. There's this Fontaine Blue. Just like download all the apps for them and just see whichever one has the best rewards. Cause I was looking at it like a lot of the places like depending on the dates you go. Like I saw like days that if I want to go back this month, I can go and stay there for like $40 a day or like no, I think like 60 with the resort fees and everything included with them giving like credits and stuff. And I'm like, yo, that's like very cheap. That's cheaper than where I stayed and the resorts were like nicer than what I was staying too. So I was like, well, if you're looking for deals, it's like I might be able to point some stuff out like that, but I I wouldn't stay where I stayed again. But yeah, I was definitely like all through the different hotels and resorts and stuff. Um, are fair value gaps useful for swing and long term trades? Like I don't when it comes to fair value gaps, I don't really like look at them as anything other than like maybe a potential target. But other than that, I don't really use them for anything. So it's like maybe it's like they could be useful if you're like, oh yeah, when we get here, this is where I'm taking profits. But beyond that, for me, I would say I have no use for them. And if there is something other than that, like if there is something else I'm trying to do in that area, there is usually something else outside of a fair value gap. Like, oh, maybe I can just see support or resistance there, or maybe there's some liquidity there. So I'm not usually looking at the fair value gap. I'm usually looking at stuff that's with the fair value gap if there's a fair value gap. So it's like you might see some there might be things there that kind of line up with it. So it's like it might work, might be useful. D-Skirt said, "Oh yeah, I have stayed at a few spots and just wondering how your experience was. Red Rock is off the strip, but super nice." Um, oh, I didn't. So I didn't. I had no dealing with Red Rock, but I did. It might have been Jeremy. It might have been like a Jeremy video I was like just watching, like maybe last night or this morning or something. I think he was talking about Dana White racking up like maybe like $10 million of gambling debt at Red Rocks or whatever. He owes the Red Rocks like $10 million or something. But I haven't done anything with it. What is resistance on Apple for now? I guess that depends on what time frame you're looking at, but like on a day, I would say it's like 240. Oh, that's what I was doing before I was interrupted by Facebook. Um, they sent me a little SpongeBob meme. It's like SpongeBob looking happy. It's like me making $10 an hour in 2017. Big old smile on his face. And then it's like me making $21 an hour in 2024. It looks like life hit him hard. Like he looks like tired, like super grumpy. It's crazy. And that's more than a double up on the money too. It's kind of crazy. But honestly, I can relate to that. All right. Palantir just hit a support bounce up potentially. And let's see. Let's check on the Palantir. All right, so on the weekly we can see, yo, it's still, yeah, it's there. What time frame are you looking at, D-Scar? Very welcome, Osama. Were you looking at like the 4? Cause it's like I see it on the 4. All right. Back to checking that options analytics. It's like I keep getting started and let's see. So SPY, options, analysis. So yeah, we got a wall of support at 642. Oh, and we got a wall of resistance at 643. This actually does not seem like a good day to be in a 0 DTE. Or actually, hold up. That's just the volume. Oh no. Yeah, we still got fat wall of resistance at 643. Here, let me come down to a 5. Okay. Let's see where this trend goes. Cause it's not looking the hottest. But we got a nice little string of bullish candles right here. Go to my notifications. Turn off like everything. Still pushing on the SPY. It's now higher than the price where I bought in the contract. The contract's not higher, but the stock is trading higher. All right. So here, let's see. This might be like if you're nervous, this might be a good spot to exit. The contract is down like 4 cents per share from where I bought it. So this could be, hey, this could be it right here, or it could keep going. It's like we got a pretty decent push right there. Let's see. All right, it's down 2 cents from where I bought it. See what happens. I'm still trying to turn off all these notifications. Might need to delete some apps. Lucky J, what's up, family? It's been a minute. Been a minute. But here we are. All right, let's see. Hey, just here trying to see if the SPY wants to pay us today. Currently in the 640. Yeah. Hey, we are here. We're here. Very much so. Very, very much so here. That's where we like to be. Here in the present. Whoa, hold up. I just turned those notifications off. Why are they trying to, oh, there we go. All right, SPY trying to push up. Hey, it's back in the green again. Oh, this has been a ride. Back in the green. Definitely taking us for a ride today. Okay. Hold up. Love the calm and polite demeanor. Stuck to your guns. Hey, trying my best. Trying my best. I mean, it's still like not out of the woods in either direction. So this would be the point for me to not lose, but also it's like I'm not out of the woods to it's not just like, oh yeah, we're going up here. This candle's looking a little better though, depending on what it does. I kind of like the way it's starting though. I'm at break even on the contract though. That's the thing about zero DTEs. We'll see if it goes to the target though. And we getting paid. Man, Google is up 9% on the day. It's crazy. And Apple and Tesla doing their thing too. Also, a reminder. Anybody trying to hop on? There's a Zoom tonight at 7:30 Central Time. That is the link that was just posted in the chat to anyone interested. That one should work. All right, Spy trying to push. Let's see if it can succeed. Crazy how that happens though. Got us all over the place. So we came down here 642. Came down here to 641.42. And now we're trying to push up to 643. Hopefully 644. The market, man. Yeah, this would have been it right here. This was what I was originally looking at, this 641.61 area. I just didn't see like liquidity. Okay. All right, so we got the Q's at kind of its pre-market resistance. And the SPY trying to push a little bit. We might see something. I don't know. Yeah, we got that time ticking, Lucky J. Okay, I see. Hey, I see we got some lurkers on. Oh, I also, hey, if we can take care of the lurkers, hey, the ads come off. The ads come off. I didn't even think about it. The ads should have already come out, but not trying to reward the lurkers. Hey, make sure to smash the like button, family. All right, SPY trying. It's trying to get back up there. Definitely not moving the same amount it was earlier, but yeah, I'll agree with that. Caught up in the VWAP. Oh no, that's dangerous. Devin, I only lurk because I'm at work. Hey, no worries, Devin. You definitely came in here and like said what's up though earlier. Here, let's where is it? We hit what we need to hit. Hey, we're not dropping the ads in. And then we got two lurkers that just popped in. YouTube saying now is a good time to insert some ads. 13 is crossing up on the 48. What do you say you were on? Like the 3 minute? Let me check the 2 minute. Oh yeah, it's happening on the 2 minute. That's a good look on that time frame. Yo, I need to eat something now. 3 minute, okay. See, I remember. SPY 648, Apple 239. I'm here for it. Yeah, let's get a flash, not crash, but flash, like let's get a flash flight up to 648. Trump, can we get a now right now is a very good time to buy stocks, tweet or something. Let's make that happen, Trump. Or if the markets, if the what are they called? Like the news companies just want to like send out some fake news and then rescind it saying that it was false. I'd be cool with that too. Speaking of Grump, did you hear the new ticker A bit? I think it's his son is a. No, I did not. Let's see. Let me look at it on my phone real quick. Oh, it looks like it's been a thing since 2022. Getting ready to bounce up off the 13. Here's hoping. My trading view buy calls alert is going off. Not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. I would never. Trenton, I'm a little confused. The little last part. I would never DM you. That sounds like a Discord kind of thing. I'm so confused. I'm not sure I get the joke. That is the same Discord user say. Yeah, I think that's my that's my username. I legit say I won't DM you or I won't message you. All right, so Spy is trying to say no go right now. Let me take it back up to the 15. Yeah, we're kind of just chilling here. See 30. Yeah. ABTC is the ticker. Here, let's see. What? Hold up. Oh, that's the wrong thing. Okay. Okay, that looks a lot newer. All right, I see it. Is it Griffon Digital Mining something? Yeah, Spy is playing the games. TradingView is trying to put folks in the poorhouse with those alerts. What alerts? Are you like trading something that somebody are you using like an indicator somebody alert? Cuz a lot of those indicators on TradingView, somebody created those. Let's see what happened here. Oh, we're still trying. Still trying. I get an alert that is in the indicators. Oh yeah, that's whoever created that. I'm not like too big a fan of like the trading view indicators, especially the ones that say like buy, sell, or whatever. Like most of those I look at them, I'm like, okay, I can see some errors or whatever, or I just don't understand what strategy they're doing. I'm personally not a fan of a lot of those. Bro, I don't know what the spy is doing. 4 hour. Man, are they just gonna leave it here today? That's really what it looks like. They're just trying to pin it. Like they don't want anyone or anything to really benefits. All right, Spy, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? I need answers. Yeah, I should have just taken that first little pop it gave us. Definitely, definitely should have done that. Cause usually 2 hours is plenty for me. All right, spy, come on, bring it up. Hey, Mr. DJ, some call me replay. Hey, Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? I'll be up on the dance floor wanting some more. Let's go bring it up. It's a good thing the spy is not a heartbeat. Because if this were an EKG in like for your heartbeat, yo, you be flatlining. Buddha Dev, I took a 643 spy call. There was a point it was up like, I know I saw at least 57%. I want to say it was up like 75, but I don't fully know that I saw that. But I think I did. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. All right. Let's see. All right, so I'm out at 22 cents per share. I'm done with that contract. It looks like it might go for it, but it's past my time. Let's cut out of SPY contract for a loss at 22 per share. There we go. Yup. So yeah, took a L on that SPY trade today. That was the move. All right, now I'll be on the lookout for anything else that looks All right, but or be on the lookout for broader moves. But yeah, that was honestly should have got in on or got out of that earlier. Hit that like button. Oh yes, family. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's free us. Clear these charts out a little bit. All right, let's see. Okay, got a couple likes off that. Okay, I see y'all family coming through with the likes. Yeah, I don't even know the lurkers. M-Sense. That was my last 0 DT. This time for real, I'd rather 1 DT can have a little faith instead of a lot of hope. That's your last 0 DT? Hey, I guess RIP to the M-Sense 0 DTs. I can try to at least get one from now on. I feel like that would do better. It's like cuz it's like I was initially going for like I don't know when I got in this 0 DT mindset, but I think it started working for a little bit and then or actually it was working a good amount. And then I was like, oh yeah, you know what? Let's go for less time. I think I was just getting the day. I'm like, oh, I could have gotten this with the 0 DTE. And yeah, Andy Market doesn't want to move. Yeah, so that's the thing. This is a dangerous kind of area to get caught in. That's like otherwise, like if I had tomorrow's expiration, I would still hold it, but because I got a 0 DTE and we're not moving, yeah, I'm not trying to mess with it at the moment. They're tough 0 DT. Yeah, 3 weeks can be nice. 3 weeks can be nice. 2 or 3 is like when I'm swinging, 2 or 3 is like solid for me. All right, we got the SPY pulling back. Let's see if we can come and like kind of hit the low for the day. Maybe fill in the gap. Maybe I pick up a cheap swing or something if we come to that. So yeah, we'll still watch this for now. So it's almost like we got like a little double top over here. Let's see if we get a double bottom. The best way to trade is to get 1 week and close. Yeah, I would say that's a better way to close like the SPY. Yeah, that's a safer way to go. Cause too many people trade the SPY, so it's like too much money for them to let it run too much. My 233 or 23,300 on NDX, please. 0 DT lock, gotta lock in the gain. Huh? Wait. Alright, so we got the SPY pulling back right now. Are you trying to ride to the, hoping that the Nasdaq fills the gap? Okay, I see you. I see you. All right, I'm good with the SPY coming down as long as Apple. Yeah, Apple's chilling right now. All right, so the SPY is pulling back, pulling on back. So this was just an opportunity to get out. If QQQ fills the gap, I'll be happy. Hey, you can be happy now and be ecstatic when it fills the gap as well. Being happy is a choice. You can be happy. I took an L. I'm happy. Hoping for the double tap bounce. Yeah, that'd be nice. I'm kind of hoping it fills the gap first. Like maybe some quick, like a quick, like, yeah, just a little bit below this line here. I'll move the line down a little bit. Yeah, like 641.25. Make sure y'all get SPY 695 leaps to be part of inflation. Hey, you're not kidding. Ooh. Beijing book data in 17 minutes. Not sure. I don't think it should move it too much, but let's see. Let's see. What color? Yeah, it's not expected to really have an impact. Okay, we got the SPY selling off. All right, so we made an equal low. Let's see if we come fill in that gap. Let's see what the volume's looking like too. All right, so yeah, gap filled. Gap filled. Okay. I grabbed I grabbed a far out of the money call on SPY for tomorrow. I just took kind of the remnants from that trade earlier. I just grabbed a swing. So if we bounce from here, cool. If not, like once again, like I would like to get to, I would like to see us at this 645. But yeah, let me share that with the family. Just grabbed what is it? I grabbed a 647 call expiring tomorrow. Paid 17 cents per share. Would like to see the SPY get to 645. Whoa, what happened? All right, there we go. Y for a touch of a bottom trend line. There's a rising wedge on the D chart. Oh, I did not. Let's see. What time frame are you on? Yeah, it's like I already kind of got in there, but yeah, I'm already in there, but. Gap fills at 6:40.50 in regular trading hours. Let's see. Here, I'm gonna get rid of this trend line. I got about like 6:48, 6:50. All right, so trying to hold up there a little bit. Would you? Oh, you said daily chart. Okay. Would you please analyze BP chart? What are we looking for here on BP? It's in an uptrend. Looking at this looks like a buy level. That's all I can say. Like, this looks like a buy level. It's an area of support. It's like if you confirm below this 3 or 34.52 area on the 4 hour, then maybe I would try to ride downside. But BP, it looks like it's at a buy level right now. It's at the extreme right now. The RSI is in the middle, is chilling, so I would lean heavier on buying it. Just looks like it's sold off a little bit. Good deal. Oh, you said daily chart. Let's see. Hold the wrong time. Okay, I see what you mean. Let's see. Maybe. We can look out for that. See how we do here. I was trying to come on down some more. Oh no. Looks like it's trying to hold up a little bit. Trying. has not been the best holder upper today. Let me check headlines. Turn 30 into 100 on the SPY. Hey, that'd be nice. That's like a 300, or I guess 200% return. SPY makes like it still wants to do some coming down. Looks good on the 15 minutes. Oh, Maurice, were you saying you turned 30 into 100? If that's the case, hey, good work. Good work. That's what we like to hear. Hey, good stuff. Amazing job. I'm assuming you wrote some puts on the day. Hey, good work. All right, that's when you get the money, 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 money. I see opportunity for a swing on S. Let's see. What strategy do you employ, Loom? Let's see. So I see like, is that kind of an area of support? Let's see on the 4 hour. Wait. Oh, from the $42 area. Okay. Okay. I was about to say, I'm like, yo, it's SPY coming down. Lucky J. Had to step away. Now I'm back. Did you get a spy call? So I did, but oh, we'll see what happens. I got like a really cheap one. I got like a 647. I would like to see the spy come up to this 645, but it might come down first. Like it could come down here first. Let's see. That's the exact song my wife was singing this morning after Google. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Hey, that's I could just imagine it. Does my wife know that song? I don't know. Do I even know that song? I'm not even sure I know the whole song. I know like I know I guess that's the chorus or whatnot. Caught that Rivian run. Rivian ran up. Hey, you really have to be paying attention to stuff to catch things sometimes. Oh shoot! We'll say the money, money, money. Hey, I might have to make that like a little sound or something. I gotta figure out how to get sounds on my little board. Start getting that on here. Money, 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 money. Yeah. Oh, it's a good time. That should have been me in Vegas. I didn't really have the opportunity to even gamble like I had said I would. I said I would throw like maybe $50 out or whatever. I was like doing too much. I was like too busy the whole time. Still a good time though. They played that song on her ship when they entered dangerous zones while in the what? On her ship when they entered dangerous zones while in the Navy. Oh, for real? That's crazy. Okay, now that I read it, okay, I got you. I got you. That's wild though. That's wild. That's crazy. That honestly is crazy. I use trendline and RSI. Okay. Wait, in RSI divergence. Okay. Here, let me relook at that then. Oh wait, hold on. Wrong chart. Fed is speaking. Shouldn't have like a crazy you know what? Let me check. Yeah, let me check let me hop on Moomoo, check the news. But about to roll out here. I'm gonna just check the news real quick, make sure there is nothing crazy going. Hold up. Figure has filed to go public. They are offering shares Here, I'll save that. All right, news. Fed beige book. Most firms either reported little to no change in optimism or expressed differing expectations about the direction of change from their contract tax. Uh, all right, let's see. Yeah, so a little update from the beige book. I wouldn't expect anything too crazy, but let's see. Um, what was I gonna say? Oh, that's gonna do it for the day, family. I have that swing. I kind of feel like that's it for downside for the day, but hey, we'll see. We will see. I'm not gonna be playing anything though. Um, yeah, if you want to, hey, be sure to come through for the Zoom call tonight. That's the link right there. 7:30 Central Time. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Oh, you said no more QQ. Oh, I didn't get a put on it. But yeah, right now it's at support. If it can confirm below like 567, might be good for a put, but in this area I would personally go for a call. But yeah, with that being said, peace out Maurice, peace out Lucky J, peace out Loom, peace out ED Silver, peace out D Scurv, peace out Andy, peace out Natasha, peace out Kong. Yeah. Yeah, each hope y'all have a great day. Peace out Brandon. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Catch y'all.